To mute chat notification of certain contact on WhatsApp for 8 hours in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Next, long tap the required chat you'd like to mute its notification. Tap mute notification icon at the top of the screen. Select 8 hours. And then tap OK button. By choosing this setting, now your phone will mute this chat notification for 8 hours, which means during this period, you'll still receive message sent to this chat, but you will not be notified. However, you will still be notified if you are mentioned in this chat. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.